Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you the quickest way you can do the miracle knots. I am using hair from Ywigs. This time they sent me some color. The hair is beautiful. I'm using two different color, 18-inch. The hair is deep wave. As you can see, the colors right there, 27, 30, and 613. And the other one is a different color, just 27 and 30. I'll be mixing all of them. They're gonna look so pretty. For this hairstyle, you only need 5 packs. I'm using 3 packs of the darker color, 27, 30, and then 2 packs of the 27, 30, and 613. This is the bundles straight out of the package. Look how beautiful that hair is. Look how beautiful the color is. You don't need to use any products right after you install that hair. This is how I'm installing. I'm just gonna braid her hair and leave it alone because I wanted to show you exactly what I'm doing here. I'll just braid her hair and then attach the human hair to her hair. But I'll go ahead and braid her entire hair first. That way I go faster. I just crochet the root with 27, 30, and 613, the lighter color. And then I'll just attach one at the end. And this hair, once you crochet, it will just weigh down the natural hair. So you don't have to worry about your natural hair really sticking out. It will just weigh it down. Because her hair is short, I was able to braid all that in less than 1 hour. This is the quickest part. You just crochet the hair in. And if you want it super full, you can do 2 to 3 human hair per braid. And that should be enough for you to use 5 packs. I had leftover. So I just crochet the hair at the root and then crochet one piece close to the end, and that's it. It naturally weighs the hair down, so you don't have to worry about your natural hair really sticking out. You'll see that at the end. Do you see how I keep it organized? The braids that I haven't crocheted any human hair on yet, I keep them pulled up. As I'm going, I'm pulling them down and then crochet the hair. There's no way you can miss one of the braid by doing that. You braid your hair totally, you pull it up in the ponytail, and then you pull out each braid as you are crocheting in the human hair. You see how organized it looks, and see how the ends of her natural braid doesn't show as I'm doing her hair because the human hair just naturally weighed down. It won't be poking out. You don't really have to braid the end of your hair with that technique. All you do is just braid your hair down all the way and then crochet 2 to 3 human hair on each of your braid, and then that should be fine. Notice how the deep wave doesn't get messy as I'm doing her hair. Just take a look at her hair. I'm not using any product here. All I do is just pull out the human hair, crochet it, and keep doing the same thing and over again. Nothing get frizz up. This hair is very good quality. It's super soft. It doesn't shed when you install it. And the thread they have in the middle to hold both sides of the strands is super strong. So you can definitely reuse this hair. You can wash it. You can use products on it. It's human hair. You can actually brush it when it gets wet. Right here, I'm just repeating everything over and over till I'm done. This is why I suggest you to just do the braid first. At least you know you're done with that step. Once you're done with the braids, then you just crochet the human hair and you don't have to worry about nothing else. Just 2 steps. Braid your own hair or braid your client's hair, then crochet the human hair, and that's it. This hair doesn't need any products, so you don't have to use no gel, no mousse at the end. Just install it and it will look so pretty. Once again, the hair is from ywigs.com. I'll make sure I link them in the description box. They did send 6 packs. We ended up using just 5. We used 3 packs of the 2730, that's the darker color, and 2 packs of the 2730 613. That's the lighter color. We use that to highlight. It is so pretty and full. We are done here. And it's super light too, because you don't use any hair braiding for this hairstyle. Just your natural hair, and then the human hair makes it very, very light. See what I mean when I said you just pull it up? You don't see the end of her hair. You don't see the end hanging. Nothing is poking out here. A good thing about this hairstyle is you can pull it up as soon as you're done. There's less tension and it is lighter. She can move it however she wants. She can put it up. The hair is human hair. She can use mousse on it. She can wet it. She can jump on the pool, do whatever she wants to do with it, and comb it out if she wants to. If you want the curls to be super big, you take your time, just run a comb through them. It'll get bigger. And if you don't want it to be bigger, just spray some water on it and it'll shrink. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you on my next one. Check the description box to have access to the link to get this hair.
I've been dreaming about you, waking up with you in my arms, wrapping these